back over here at Maroubra Beach right now. I'm gonna do the coastal walk up to Coogee. So if you've been to Sydney, you've probably heard of the Bondi to Coogee coastal walk. Well, today, doing something a bit different, doing Maroubra up to Coogee. Yeah, Maroubra is a beautiful beach, it's about 1 kilometer long. You can see it right behind me. And it's about 10 kilometers south of the CBD, so it's not the easiest beach to get to, but there is public transit to get down here. All right, with that, let's go.
Abugate